Part 4. Synopsis of Spiritual Laws derived from Cosmic Cycle as per True Gita. 4 types of soul. Type 1. Parampurush or Paramatma takes birth only by incarnation during Sangam Yuga in the human body of Brahma. It remains at the root of the human tree as serial number 0, called Shiv, followed by souls in descending order of soul power located on the soul world's inverted tree. Type 2. Deity souls enter only in the Nirvikari world, totaling 33 crore special souls. Type 3. Souls of other religions. They enter in the Vikari world, where they coexist with Hindus, the people residing along the banks of the Sindhu river who are actually descended from deity souls. Type 4. Religious founders enter the Vikari world, where the first birth is by incarnation. During that time, they preach soul religion, which later becomes a specific religion because followers identify with the teacher instead of the teachings. Spiritual summary: the type of soul energy, thoughts, or soul state, and the resultant karmic state changes according to yuga or time. In the Nirvikari world, it is Sankalp, the soul conscious state. Karma is deemed 0 and is graphically represented by the red line. In the Vikari world, it is Vikalp, the body conscious or role conscious state. Karma is deemed negative and is represented by the connecting black line. In the current transit world, there are 2 options: the Yoga option, which is Shresht Sankalp, a God conscious state, where karma is deemed positive and is represented by the red line from the yellow point, and the Bhog option, which is Paschatap, a body conscious state, where karma is deemed cross and is represented by the black line from the yellow point. The key is the state of being while acting or performing karma. If the state of being is negative, karmic theory applies in the Vikari world. If the state of being is positive, a script is generated for the Nirvikari world, where the state of being is always 0, meaning karmatit. The definition of Sukh, as per the quantum physics postulate, Sankalp se Srishti or Prakriti, is experienced by every soul in the soul conscious state all the time in the Nirvikari world. It is also experienced by the soul in the God conscious state during current Sangam Yuga. Vikalp, generated because of Vikar, prevents experience of the postulate and is the cause of Dukh. At the micro level, the soul script controls the Purush conscious mind, which controls the Prakriti script based on the theory of everything, or the theory of vibrations. This could be the scientific basis of a single theory for the cosmic cycle, or Kalchakra. How to seek God? Gyan Marg and Bhakti Marg. Gyan Marg is Sukshma, based on Atmadharm, and means direct two-way communication with Parampurush, based on the established relationship of father, teacher, and Sadguru. It also includes role reversal within the total cycle and is applicable to the critical mass of souls who become God-conscious during Sangam Yuga. The true concept of role reversal is Puja with Pujari, Vishnu with Brahma, Hum so hum, or I was that. In contrast, the concept as presented in scriptures is Soham, or I am that, also expressed as Aham Brahmasmi, or universal consciousness. Bhakti Marg is Sthul Kriya, based on Janm Dharm, and is indirect, one-way emotional communication with Parampurush through visible forms, such as idols of religious founders. It is applicable to the known history of the world. Every soul navigates Bhakti Marg. Only special souls, as per the predetermined script, are gifted Gyan Marg, through which they are able to recognize Parampurush during Sangam Yuga and self-transform from hell, or the Vikari world, to heaven, or the Nirvikari world. One path purifies the body, or the outer world, whereas the other path purifies the soul, or the inner world. Adhyatma is the journey of the soul in Sangam Yuga from body consciousness to soul consciousness, that is, a change in lifestyle so that the soul frequency matches the God frequency. It is the transformation of the subconscious and unconscious mind through the conscious mind by becoming God conscious. The conscious mind visualizes the soul, the Supreme Soul, and the connection between the two, based on true Gita knowledge. With regular practice, visualization translates into experience, which in turn transforms the sanskar in the subconscious and unconscious mind. Adhyatma is also the daily dosage of food for the soul, that is, Gyan, which gives godly input to the buddhi, or intellect. It is also the daily dosage of exercise for the soul, or yog, that is, remaining God-conscious, thereby enabling a response based on godly intellect, rather than a reaction based on man, or mind, influenced by vikar. Purush controls Prakriti in general, and the body in particular. Therefore, Adhyatma gives 4 H's: happiness of mind, health of body, harmony in relationships with other souls, and harmony with Prakriti. This is called heaven. Vikar acquisition is automatic during to Yuga of the Kal Chakra, however, only through Adhyatma, or Rajyog, or by being God conscious, can the vikar recorded in the subconscious and unconscious mind be removed to avoid mental suffering now, that is, during Sangam Yuga, and to enable subsequent entry into the nirvikari deterministic world called heaven, the world of happiness, or sukh, only and always. The only other option is to suffer now and remain part of the vikari, non-deterministic world of Sukh and Dukh, based on karmic gati. Therefore, Adhyatma is about Vikar Chakra, which leads to the Kal Chakra. To summarize, 4 cosmic laws are responsible for the drama being an eternal cosmic cycle, or Kal Chakra. Law 1. As per physics, the journey from Sato to Tamo is uniformly applicable to every soul for 4 yug and is depicted as a black dotted line. Law 2. The law of cycle. During Sangam Yug, the current yug, the metaphysical phenomenon of Parampurush overrules the physical phenomenon described in Law 1, reversing the journey from Tamo back to Sato. This is depicted by a brown dotted line. Law 3. Cycle completion happens either by Yog, represented by the red line, or by Bhog, represented by the black line, in the reverse direction. Law 4. Poetic justice. Through Purusharth of Rajyog, one creates prarabdha for the Nirvikari world, moving from red line to red line in the Nirvikari world for the critical mass of souls. Otherwise, by default, Paschatap Bhog leads from the black line back to the black line of the Vikari world. A unique overview of the cosmic cycle and its correlation with spirituality on a single screen, frame, or canvas. Space dimension of the drama, 3 worlds, soul Nirakar, human Sakar, and subtle Akar. Time dimension of the drama, 5 yug, represented by 7 circles, 4 for each yug and 3 for Sangam yug, with 2 for Yog and 1 for Bhog, classified as 3 logical worlds, namely Nirvikari world, Vikari world, and transit world, with 4 types of karma: 0, negative, positive, and cross. 3 actors of the drama, Purush, Prakriti, and Parampurush. 4 laws of the drama resulting in Kal Chakra: 3 God functions, Brahma generates, Vishnu operates, and Mahesh destructs. Accumulation and removal of vikar on human souls during the drama result in Kal Chakra references to physical and metaphysical phenomena affecting the drama. End of Part 4. Recap by expansion of acronyms used in single frame. A. W is equal to Angel World. T. D. W is equal to Transit cum Diamond World. SR is equal to Self-Realization. GC is equal to God Conscious. H is equal to Host Body. G is equal to God. X is equal to Christ. G is equal to Generate. O is equal to Operate. D is equal to Destruct. W3 is equal to World War III. SS is equal to Supreme Soul. R is equal to Relation. FNE is equal to Food, Gyan, and Exercise, Yog. S is equal to P by R is equal to Stress is equal to Pressure divided Resilience. EB is equal to Energy Body. C is equal to constant. C by 2 is equal to half cycle script. D and I is equal to direct or indirect. 1 2 is equal to fraction. M and X is equal to no merging of souls. EOC is equal to end of cycle. B and X is equal to no birth or beyond boundary. 1L is equal to only one last logical. L, I, F, O is equal to last in first out. BL is equal to black layer. V is equal to TOE is equal to vibration is equal to theory of everything. 1 1 or M is equal to 1 to 1 or 1 to many correspondence. V and B is equal to Vishnu to and fro Brahma. Y and B is equal to Yog or Bhog. 2S in 1B is equal to 2 souls in one body. RY is equal to Raj Yog. A is equal to R, T is equal to action is equal to delayed reaction, karmic theory as per Newton law. INIT is equal to initialization. 4. H is equal to happiness, health, harmony, heaven. A3 is equal to actor 3 is equal to Param Purush.